Nothing beats your first cup of piping hot coffee in the morning. From the first few sips of that caffeine-rich elixir, your body warms up and you're ready to face the day. Arm yourself in the fight against cold coffee by investing in an electric mug warmer. To make your shopping journey easier, we have reviews some interesting coffee mug warmer. First, electric beverage warmer with 3 temperature setting. This coffee warmer plate has waterproof design. The waterproof panel without need for security concern for occasional spill. 3.5 oversized base to fit most size cups, mugs and bowls. Also suitable for most different mug styles like stainless steel cup, milk box, glass cup. The auto shut off functions prevent any possible safety hazards caused by forgetting to shut down. The 3 temperature settings make it more amazing. Don't let your drink chill out so quickly. Low temperatures keep your coffee above room temperatures and mid temperatures keep your beverage stay in the best temperatures for the drinking, and you will get the what you want at high temperatures. Keep the mug by your side constantly at the temperatures you like. The multifunctions make it a great partner at work, home and office. Mug warmer with durable vacuum insulation. There is a cup lid included which not only provides better heat insulation for your drinks but also prevents your drink from spilling. So it is a BPA free lid that keeps your mug perfectly heat. This cup meets your various needs. When you set your temperature target, it can provide you with the heating and heat preservation functions. When you switch it to the off, it can provide a powerful cold preservation function for your cold drink. So coffee mug uses high quality stainless steels and food grade ceramic acrylic paint. Another coffee mug warmer. Continuous work stable performance is high and uniform heating area make the drink taste more delicious, reduce loss of nutrition. This coffee warmer can meet the multi-directional demand of modern home and office. It ensures the temperature of coffee, milk, water and others. The product is small and fashionable, convenient and practical, which greatly meet the need of users to heat and keep warm. It has a flat bottom cup, special thermostatic base cup with diameter less than 3.54 inch in daily life are suitable for our thermostatic base that make sure you have your mug bottoms in full contact. The electric mug warmer can slow down the cooling speed of hot beverage by touching the low button, and when the ambient temperature is about 10 degrees, touch high or low buttons to keep or warm the liquid temperatures as you desired. Kasuri coffee mug warmer. Keep the beverage warm all day, making it a great gift for your family member. According to different mug may conduct or transfer heat differently. For better result, it's just using steel flat and thin bottom mug for the best performance rather than a concave bottom. Placing a lid over the mug will also help retain heat. Blue backlight and precise temperature indications free which between centigrade and Fahrenheit by touching 2 arrow buttons for 3 seconds at the same time. It occupied with the high-touch pi film heating element. The spill-proof design avoid damage and make cleaning a breeze. Work with glass, ceramic, iron and steel mugs. It is FCC and usual proved. Made with high-end brushed stainless steel, the warmer is solid, stable and durable and will work better and longer than other plastic versions, protecting both the warmer and the mug. Keep warm your drink as high as 131 Fahrenheit to 55 centigrade. If you like this product and want to purchase, then click on the link that is below in the description.